Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export select from Affinity Designer. This is a useful technique when you only want to export a specific element from your design rather than the entire canvas, saving you time and keeping your exported files clean and focused. This method is especially helpful when working on larger projects where your design contains multiple elements, such as logos, icons, illustrations, text layers, or individual graphics. Instead of exporting the complete artwork and cropping it later, you can directly save the exact element you need. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the program opens, go ahead and open your existing file or create a new file. Now that you have your workspace ready, click on the object you want to export. Whether it's text or an image, this selection is crucial because it tells Affinity Designer exactly which element you want to isolate and export next. Make sure you select the correct object before moving forward. If your design contains multiple layers, check that you have selected the exact layer or grouped element you want to export. This prevents exporting the wrong part of your project. In the upper left toolbar, click on File. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Export, then click Export again. This will open up the Export Settings window where you can configure how you want your selected object to be saved. In the left sidebar of this export window, you'll see a variety of format options available to you. These include JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF, SVG, EPS, PDF, PSD, EXR, and several others. Each format serves different purposes, so choose your preferred option based on what you need the exported file for. For example, PNG is great for maintaining transparency, while JPEG works well for photographs. Choosing the right format can make a big difference depending on where you plan to use the exported file. For logos and graphics that need a transparent background, PNG or SVG is usually a better choice. For images with lots of colors and details, JPEG may be more suitable. Now, here's the key step. In the right panel of the export settings, navigate to area right beside it. You'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu and select Selection Only. This ensures that only the object you initially clicked on will be exported, rather than the entire canvas or artboard. This is what makes this method so efficient for exporting individual elements. The Selection Only option is useful because Affinity Designer normally exports based on the full document area. By changing this setting, you tell the software to ignore everything else and focus only on the selected object. Once you've confirmed that Selection Only is chosen, click Export. A file browser window will now open up, allowing you to select where you want to save your exported file. Navigate to the folder or location where you'd like to store this file. Choose a location that is easy to find later, especially if you are exporting multiple elements from the same project. Keeping your files organized will make your workflow much faster. If needed, you can rename the title in the file name field to something more descriptive that helps you identify it later. Using clear file names is a good habit when working on professional projects. Instead of keeping generic names, use labels that explain what the file contains, such as logo icon, social media graphic, or product image. Finally, click Save. Your selected object will now be exported as a separate file in the format and location you specified. You can now use this exported element in another project, upload it online, share it with a client, or continue editing it separately. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a specific selection from Affinity Designer without having to export your entire project. This workflow is perfect for when you need to quickly extract individual elements from complex designs. Whether you're creating branding materials, social media graphics, presentations, or digital illustrations, this technique helps you save time and keeps your exported files organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.